Okay, so welcome back. I am pulling out some paint samples, okay? I want gray on these walls. I would like I know I want the perfect gray, but I don't know what that is. The gray in my old house in Iowa, I liked it, but there were a lot of times it looked like a tan and not gray, depending on where the light was hitting. So I got 3 different paints from Sherwin-Williams: Agreeable Gray, Worldly Gray, and Alpaca. I'm gonna paint a sample, hopefully I'm focused, a sample on a couple walls, just so I can see how it's gonna look in the light and in the dark. So I'm gonna come back to the house today several times just to see, because we are starting painting tomorrow. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. So yeah, I gotta get this done. So let's paint.
I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you.
Here's the grays in the kitchen, / dining room. This is the Alpaca, Worldly Gray, Agreeable Gray. They're much grayer in real life. They look white right now, but I really like the Agreeable Gray so far, but they haven't dried yet. And I know that at different times of the day, they're gonna look different. It's not gonna focus. Alpaca, Worldly, Agreeable, in same order over here of the 3. I am gonna come back now in a few hours just to take a look at it, and then again later on tonight, and hopefully I can figure out which one I want so we can go ahead and get the rest of the stuff tomorrow. It's gonna be a big job. Yes, I'm painting it myself because I trust myself, and I'm the one that's doing all of the cut-in work around the, what do you call this? The floorboards and the frames and things like that. My dad and Tyler both said they will roll it, but they don't want to cut in. So that's where I come in. So that's what I'm done for right now. I will see you guys back in a little bit to look at the colors. Okay, it's the next day. I'm trying to get my camera to focus. This is the Agreeable, the Worldly, and the Alpaca. I really like the Agreeable, but on Instagram, I actually asked you guys what paint color you had, and a lot of y'all said that you have the Agreeable, but when y'all were, so many of you guys have it. I want to say that there's so many of y'all that have Agreeable on y'all's walls, but in different pictures it looked different, and some it pulled blue, some it pulled really tan, and in here right now it's pulling a little bit more tan than I like, except for in the dining room. It probably won't focus. That's the Agreeable over there. It looks really gray. It looks white right now, but I promise you it looks gray. But over here, that looks tan and that looks tan. So I started getting messages about this paint color called Repost Gray. And I looked up on Pinterest, and it actually looks really good. In the ones of the pictures that y'all sent, it looks really good. So I'm gonna paint this on there and make a decision today, because I'm supposed to start painting today. And then I also went ahead and got some samples of the blue I want, the dark navy, on my master bathroom, on my master bedroom wall, and the front wall that I want as herringbone, which last night Tyler did come over and rip all the boards down, and then he did putty, I think is what it's called. So I think he said he has to sand it and then it'll be okay to paint it. So I'm going to sample the master bedroom wall, and then whichever one I pick, I'm gonna do it on both of those walls. You need help going outside? There you go. All right, so let's get to work.
Like when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do.
As much as I look like death right now, I'm gonna show you guys what I've done today. I did finish this wall today. It's still drying right now. I have to touch up a little bit on the sides where it bled through the tape. I love this color. I've had some questions on Instagram about it already. It's in the blue section, but it's a blue gray. This is more true to color with the blue undertone. It's called Gotham Gray, and it's by Valspar. In here, it's kind of hard to tell, but this is the new gray, the Repost by Sherwin-Williams, and this is the old gray. The sun's going down, and yes, I accidentally pulled that curtain rod down, and I can't fix it. So here's a good example of the new gray versus the purplish older gray. You can see it looks very purple. So I love the way this Repost looks. It's the perfect gray. This one.
Does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
What we gonna do? Oh, you're recording?
Yes.
Hold on.
Now they know how weird you are.
It's me.
What's this?
That's not the right hammer, folks. For you, my construction show, my sponsor forgot to send me my hammers, so this is all I had in the toolbox. So this is what we're using for today's